This conference will now be recorded.
So today we will discuss about memory management. Okay, in morning session I did same thing. So we know that we have SGA, we have PGA, we have UGA. So these are the memory components in Oracle database, correct? So we studied in architecture what is SGA, what is PGA, and what is UGA, right? So now in this chapter we will see how to manage the memory actually. So we know that have you heard about dynamic SGA? Anyone? Anyone heard this concept, dynamic SGA? So when it was introduced, can anyone tell me? Meanwhile, I can start the database. So it is started. Yeah, guys. 10G. Okay, thanks, Sudhakar. At least you replied. Anyone else? Dynamic, first of all, dynamic SGA means whatever the components in SGA you can dynamically change. Means you can change in running instance. You don't require to shut down the database to get the effect of those parameter which you are changing in the SGA, right? But in SGA we will not change all components, so we will see later on. So dynamic SGA means that. And now my second question was, when it was introduced, it was introduced in 9i, not 10G. Okay, so before 9i, it was very problematic for the DBA to manage the SGA because SGA was static till 8i. And after 8i, in 9i, Oracle allows the DBA to modify the SGA size dynamically. So dynamically means, as I said, we don't require to shut down the database. So this dynamic SGA feature basically allows the DBA to change the parameter and its value, and your SGA can grow and can shrink according to DBA command, or you can say DBA activity, right? So that is the benefit. But if you remember my last session of parameter file where we discuss granule, right? So anyone tell me what is granule? We discussed already. Okay, granule is basically a unit of contiguous virtual memory allocation, or you can say that it is a unit of memory. So whenever memory is allocated, it will allocate in terms of granule. So we already discussed that when my SGA size is greater than or oh, sorry, less than or equal to 1 GB, then my granule size will be 4 MB. Like that, it will increase 4 MB, 8 MB, 16 MB. So it depends on the SGA size. Okay, so that is granule. And uh, if you know about automatic shared memory management, that is ASMM, so it is introduced in 10G where you can manage SGA, okay, dynamically. So, but all the components of SDA you cannot manage. So, guys, tell me what are the component automatically managed when you set automatic shared memory management? Can anyone tell me? Okay, if you are not telling, I'm telling. First, shared pool will be managed, then database buffer cache will be managed, then large pool will be managed. Okay, then stream pool will be managed, and then Java pool will be managed. Okay, redo log buffer will not manage. Okay, and your keep buffer cache will not manage, your recycle buffer cache will not manage, and your non-standard buffer cache like 2n 4n 16 and 32 and that will also not manage in under the ASMM. Okay, so clear guys. Now for enabling the ASMM, we require two conditions should be fulfilled. So what are those two conditions? Can anyone tell me guys? No one in the mood to reply? Okay. First condition, there is a parameter which is required to set, then you will enable or you will uh, configure your ASMM. So what is the parameter? That is SGA underscore target. So this parameter, if it is set, then your automatic shared memory management is enabled. So the first condition is your SGA underscore target is greater than or equal to 0. So this is the first condition should be enabled. Second condition, there is a parameter statistics underscore level. Okay, show parameter statistics. So see that statistics underscore level. So this parameter should be typical or all. So when these two conditions will set in your database, then you can enable or you can set automatic automatic shared memory management. Okay, so first parameter clear. Then we need to set the maximum value of automatic shared memory management. So there is a parameter that is SGA underscore max underscore size. So this parameter is basically boundary of your memory components. Means you cannot set SGA target more than 2 GB or we can set. Guys, answer me. I am saying alter system set SGA underscore target equals to 3 GB. So let me know this command will work or it will give an error, guys. Okay, see that your SGA target cannot be greater than SGA max size, so you cannot exceed up to 3 GB. Clear? So yeah, so back to Granule. So whenever you started your instance, so your SDA required how many granules, guys? Any idea? It required three granules. One granule for fixed SGA, one granule for buffer cache, and one granule for shared pool. Okay, so please remember that. Okay, now if I say show SGA, so see that total system SGA is 21474799656. Fixed SGA, variable size, database buffer, and redo buffer. And same v dollar SGA. So see that few things also same things you will get from this view also. Okay, so your granule is basically depend on your SGA sizes, so according to that your value will be allocated whenever you are setting. Okay, so there is a value the, let me show you this parameter query. Select name comma value from v dollar parameter. Okay, so all all parameters I am adding in this query. So where name in, then SGA underscore max underscore size, and then SGA underscore target. Okay, then we have the value of shared pool. So what is the parameter for shared pool? Share underscore pool underscore size, right? And what is the value of database buffer cache? What parameter we need to set if suppose we are doing manually? So db underscore cache underscore size. Okay, and next thing, there is a large pool for that. So large underscore pool underscore size. Okay, sorry, spelling wrong, like that. Then java pool size. So java underscore pool underscore size. Okay, so let me close this bracket and execute this query. So see that we had SGA max size, shared pool 0, large pool 0, Java pool 0, SGA target is set, DB cache is 0, right? So these components are not showing any value because my automatic shared memory management is enabled. Now if suppose I want to disable my SGA target or my automatic shared memory management, so how you will do that, guys? What you will do? Alter system set SGA underscore target equals to 0. Okay, now show para meter SGA underscore target. What value it will show, guys? It will show 0 or something else? 0. Okay, so it is 0. Now shut down the database. Now I am starting the database and I will execute same query which I did earlier. So database is started. Okay, so let me show you this query and you can see the difference. So see that when you disable SGA target, your DB cache size is set because it requires some value. Okay, and your large pool is set, your shared pool is set, right? So this is uh, the things when you disable it. So minimum value is required, so it is automatically taken in respective parameters. Now again, if I say alter system set SGA underscore target equals to 512M, right? So alter show parameter SGA underscore target. So what value it will show, guys? 0. Why 0? 5112. Okay. See that why it is not taking 5112, guys? Who will answer this? Why it is taking 896? Now execute same query again. So see that SGA target is this. So guys, why it is showing 896 and not showing 512? Due to granular concept? No. Actually, database buffer cache size. So whenever you are setting SGA target, and explicitly if you set database buffer cache or shared pool, so it will excuse me, take that value as a minimum value of that component. So actually we did 0, we disable ASMM, okay, and after that we started the database. So some memory required for database buffer cache, some memory required for shared pool, some memory required for large pool. So that's why that value is also calculated and your value is showing different what I set actually. Clear guys, this concept clear? Granule is basically to round up the value actually. So if suppose I am setting 495 and it is taking 496, so it means it is multiple of 4, then it comes 496. But here the situation was different actually. So if you set explicitly, or if database itself taking the value of database buffer cache, shared pool, large pool, so that value will comes in your SGA actually. Got my point? So, as I said, dynamic SGA was introduced in 9i, then ASMM introduced in 10G, then automatic memory management is introduced in 11G, where SGA and PGA is managed. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, so in this we will discuss all those things, but we should know about the respective components parameter also. So database buffer cache, we had db underscore cache underscore size. So if I said show parameter size, so see that all size related parameter comes. So db cache size, that for database buffer cache, db keep cache size for keep buffer cache, db recycle cache size for recycle cache, Java pool size for Java, large pool size for large pool. Okay, and then we had SZA max size, we know that, and shared pool size and stream pool size. Okay, and there is a buffer actually for redo log buffer. So, what is the parameter for redo log buffer, guys? Because redo log buffer is not managed automatically, so you need to modify it when you require it. So you need to set the parameter explicitly. So what is the parameter for redo log buffer? Anyone can tell me? And guys, every session after ending, I ask you guys ask the question related to today's topic. Okay, I never said that don't ask, because someone complained to my team that we are not authorized to ask the questions. I never said that. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask related to that topic which I am teaching actually. Okay, your project error, your doubt, I am not in the current session I cannot answer. So that is the foundation only from my side. Whatever I am teaching, you can ask if you have any doubt in the current topic which I am telling. Okay guys, so yeah, tell me guys. Nobody knows that what is the parameter for redo log buffer? Strange. Show parameter buffer. So see that here, you see that log underscore buffer. So this is the parameter which is actually used for redo log buffer. So you should know all the SGA components parameter, because memory management we can do manual also and we can do automatic also. So till 10G we can manage SDA automatically, but from 11G onwards we can manage SGA as well as PGA both. Okay, and if you want to go for memory manual memory management, then you need to know every parameter actually. Okay, so that is the concept of memory management. So we have five types of method we will discuss actually in next session. Uh, that is automatic memory management for SGA and PGA. This is the first thing. Then automatic shared memory management for SGA, which right now I'm telling, and manual memory management for SGA. Okay, we can do that, and automatic PGA memory management, that is APMM. Okay, for PGA, and then manual PGA memory management for that. Okay, so these concept we will discuss actually. So right now I am telling about automatic shared memory management. Okay, so any doubt so far till now? Any confusion? No doubt. Okay. So can you, as I said, can you increase and reduce the SDA target, guys? So there is a view actually which you can check. V dollar SDA underscore dynamic underscore components. So here I want to show you, select component, comma, current size, comma minimum size, okay, and user specified size, okay. So all this you can take it and from v dollar SGA dynamic components. So here you can see that if a value is there, then it will display. So like this, default minimum buffer cache, it has taken 536870912 bytes actually. So if you want to change in KB or MB or GB, you need to divide it by 1024. So that query you can modify and you can divide that and you can get the things. Okay. So this is the way you can check SGA components. Okay. Now, if you check this component, same query, I am using this actually. Select component, comma. If you see in the query, there is a granule size, right? Granule size. So here I'm dividing to 1024. So that value will come in MB, right? So after that, from v dollar SGA underscores dynamic components. So see that everyone is showing 4 MB, 4 MB. So what is the meaning of that? Whenever memory will allocate, it will allocate in terms of multiple of 4 MB. So that's why granule size is showing 4 MB for shared pool, 4 MB for large pool, 4 MB for Java pool, 4 MB for stream pool, 4 MB for everything, right? So this is the way you can check about your granules. And now there is a view which is called as uh, resize ops actually. So v dollar SGA underscore resize underscore ops. So this value actually will show you what are the resizes happen in your database. Okay, so select component, comma upper type. So what this column will show you, upper type means it will show shrink and grow values, and upper mode will show you manual and automatic. Okay, and what else, there is initial size, okay, and there is a target size, and there is a final size, and there is a status, okay. And then from v dollar SGA resize ops. So see that here it is showing default buffer cache shrink, shared pool is growing, and those are not set, it is showing static actually. Clear guys? So like that you can see how resize operations happen in your database. Okay. So there is a formula for SGA target actually. So formula is that SGA target minus you can say, and then sum of minimum sizes for other auto tune parameter plus current size for manual parameters plus size allocated for fixed parameter. So all these three values will be calculated, and then it will be minus from the SGA target. Then the memory will come, which is which will be available for increase, or you can say for future purpose. Okay, so if you want to continue to increase, suppose some memory component, so it means you need to increase the SZA target value. Okay, so when you raise the size of an auto tune parameter, the current underscore size reflect synchronously according to your values which you are changing. Okay. Yeah, guys, any questions? Till now it's clear. Say yes or no, guys. Okay, thank you. Now I said automatic memory management is introduced in 11G. So what are the parameters by that you can enable automatic memory management? Guys, please answer me. Memory underscore target, perfect. And second parameter which bound the maximum value, what is the parameter? So see that it is showing 0. So my automatic memory management is not enabled because I was created this database through DBCA. So on that time, automatic shared memory management I have chosen, and there is a maximum limit for this automatic memory management. So the parameter name is, guys, anyone? Memory max size. Okay, memory max size. No, dear. Memory underscore max underscore target. Actually, people get confused. So memory max target is basically the maximum limit of this. If you create your database with DBCA and choose the basic installation option, automatic memory management is enabled. If you choose advanced installation object, then DBCA enables you to select automatic memory management. That is the difference. Please remember that. Okay, here. Yeah. If memory underscore target is set to a non-zero value, so what will happen if SGA underscore target and there is a value for PGA also, so that is show parameter PGA underscore. So here see that PGA underscore aggregate underscore target, if they are set, they will be considered the minimum value for the sizes of SGA and the PGA respectively. And memory underscore target values can range from SGA underscore target plus PGA underscore aggregate plus underscore target to memory underscore max underscore target. If SGA underscore target is set and PGA underscore aggregate underscore target is not set, we will still auto tune both parameters. Okay. So PGA underscore aggregate underscore target will be initialized to a value of memory underscore target minus, or you can say subtraction of SGA underscore target. So that value will allocate to PGA underscore aggregate underscore target. If PGA underscore aggregate and underscore target is set and SGA underscore target is not set, so we will still auto tune both parameter, and SGA target will be initialized to the minimum non-zero value of the minus of memory target and PGA aggregate target and SGA max size, and will auto tune its component. If suppose these two parameter is not set, they will be auto tuned without any minimum or default value. So we had a policy of distributing the total memory which we set by memory underscore target parameter in a fixed ratio to the SGA and PGA during installation. So the policy is what? On which policy it divides X value to SGA and Y value to PGA. So what is the ratio, guys? Please answer. Did you get my question? Suppose you have 100 value. So in that SGA will get how many and PGA will get how many? How much? What is the ratio? 80-20. Okay. What else? Rajiv, Ajit, Azhar, Sudhakar, Mallesh, and ladies. Make session interactive, guys. Otherwise, it will be very boring if you guys are not responding. Only Siddharkar said 80-20 rest. If you don't know, you can say I don't know. That's it. Okay. 60-40, guys. 60% will allocate to the SGA and 40% will allocate to the PGA. And also, if memory underscore max underscore target has not been explicitly set, but memory underscore target has the instance actually, so automatically memory max target will get the same value which is assigned to memory target. I hope you know that. If you don't know, you can note it. If memory target has not been explicitly set, but memory max target is set, then memory target defaults to 0 after instance startup. Then it's possible to dynamically change memory target to a non-zero value, provided that it does not exceed the value of memory max target. Clear, guys? So please remember that. Uh, these are the some points which actually you should know. So if you want to exercise more direct control over the size of SGA, you can disable automatic memory management and enable automatic shared memory management, where you can enable SGA target, you can set, and you can control the component of SGA. Okay, clear, guys? Suppose if auto tune parameter is increased in size, okay, above its minimum value, then associated component is immediately changed or it will not change, guys. And what about the manually tuned components, that will affect it or not? Yes, Sudhakar, you are correct. Perfect. So if auto tune parameter is increased in size, then the associated component is immediately changed, and memory used in this case is taken away from one or more auto tune components. Manually tuned components are not affected. If suppose your auto tune parameter is decreased below its minimum value, the parameter is not immediately change or immediately it will change. Another question. Excuse me, guys. Did you get my question? Are you guys are busy to do some other activity? Because of that, you are not replying. Okay. If you decrease auto tune parameter, so suddenly it will not change because it requires some time to reduce that. So basically, which process will do this automatic memory tuning? What is the process name, guys? We covered in architecture. MN, did you heard that? So MN automatic memory tuning algorithm will later reduce the parameter as required. If a manual tune parameter is increased, the change will take effect immediately. The memory will be taken away from one or more of the automatically sized component. If manually tuned parameter is decreased, the change will take effect immediately and the memory will be added to the automatic size component. Okay, so we had v dollar sga underscore resize underscore ops, where you can see about the memory components changing, guys. Okay. And also, if you are setting SGA target and if you are not setting SGA max size, so what will be the value taken by SGA max size, guys? Like memory target or memory max actually. So same way, SGA target if you are setting and SGA max size you are not setting, so SGA target value will set to SGA max size. Please remember that. Okay, so do this activity practically, and I showed actually your SGA target should not be greater than or equal to it can, but not greater than to SGA max sizes. Okay, so that is the condition for that. Okay. So if suppose anybody is asking what is the parameter which actually driven the ASMM, so you can say SGA underscore target. If for automatic memory management, you can say memory underscore target, right? Mm, If you didn't remember, so you can say show parameter target. Okay, so all target related parameter comes. Okay, so memory target and SGA target, you are seeing that. Okay, so this is the way. If you suppose forget the things of the parameter, so you can use short form, and you can get the naming of these components. Okay, so yeah. So for automatic memory management, we have SGA underscore, sorry, memory underscore target. And how to enable automatic memory management, we need to set memory underscore target. Okay, and we will see in next session. And we need to set memory target some value. We need to unset SGA target like 0, PGA aggregate target we should set 0. Then you can enable actually memory management. So we will see this by one. And also for memory advice, we have the view that is memory underscore target underscore advice. Have you used this memory in your project? Anyone? Memory underscore target underscore advice. So see that. So this memory view actually advise you how much memory you can set according to the load of your database. And same way we had v dollar sga underscore target underscore advice. Suppose you don't know actually how much memory we should set for sga target, how much memory we can set for memory target. So you can use this view and you can set SGA target and memory target according to these views with the help of these values. Okay, so in next session we will see automatic shared memory management. Actually some part I have shown. Then manual memory management actually we will see. And then we will see automatic memory management, and we will see manual memory management. So that we will see in next session. Actually this chapter is very important, and people has lots of confusion about the memories and its component. Got it? So that's it for today's session. I hope today's session is helpful. And yeah, guys, due to some problems, we are not uploading the videos. But now today, I will upload all the session videos. So please watch it, like it, comment, share, subscribe, so that it will help to my channel. Okay. So thank you very much for attending these free sessions. And we had 22 topics in this Oracle 19C old DBA architecture, which we called as you don't know my channel name. Okay, Mega Oracle, right? Okay, so I'm stopping this recording. Let me